Viti Wellington group. All right, come on now. Come on onto the village green. Laisani, you want to say something? Sure, come on here. Come on here. Don't hide there. There you go, Laisani. Bulavinaka.
Nairango Laisani o Maneliani ono ilau. The name of our group, as already announced, is Vurei Viti. Vurei means spring or sprung. The purpose, inspiration, passion of our group are influenced to our link to our mother country, Fiji. Today, our group is made up of cousins. So I will just quickly introduce them. The Salmandus, Lengakoilutu, Pukanas, Rokontakuniwasa, and Malani Lengakoilutu. Today, we will take you on a journey back in time amongst our ancestors. These are our ancestors that desired to provide a better future for their posterity. With permission from J. Tauleka, we are privileged to dance to his song Ua Niandra, as our ancestors prepare to embark in a quest to find a new land, to build a nation we call Fiji. Viti. They traveled in big canoes we know as Rua. With mixed emotions, they took courage and set sail into the deep, vast ocean. They found land, built homes, multiplied and grew in numbers. They had times of peace and times of conflicts, which sometimes leads to a big war. Naivalu Levu by James Ratu Sila. Yes, reconciliation is part of our culture. Our warriors making peace as they dance to the song Mendambutu by Rosilora. peacemaking and strengthening alliances between tribes. Presenting our Fijian warrior princess as they dance to Chileni Hana Hana by own Funde Queen Laisa Vulakoro. Want to take this time to thank Albert, the Melanesian Festival Committee, for inviting us to be part of this great day. We are proud to be amongst our relatives from described under Melanesian. Our last item, we would like to encourage each one of you to come and join us to our song Laitendalo. We share the same history behind this song that we know of as blackbirding. But our message today is there are things that have happened in our history that are not so good, but we keep moving, keep doing our daily chores, and we prosper. That is what our ancestors wanted for us. So I encourage each one of you to come and join us. Our dancers, please go out and pick some to join us in our dance Laitendalo. It's very easy. Everyone, we know how to plant and then fish,
Sarah,
and then we'll be paddling a lot. So come on, join us.
I'm recording.
And I ask our MCs to come and join us.
Thank you, thank you. Hello, Katami, greeting you, fella, Lord, Papa God. Thank you too much for all the support, blowing you. Big fella, love you, fella, and big God bless you, fella. Mbula Pinaka, everybody. Can I get a mbula? Can I get a hoya? Nice, nice, nice. Okay, you know they say your eyes can lie, your tongue can lie, your mouth can lie, but hips don't lie. So please join us. You know, it's our celebration once in a year. Please do come. Don't be shy. Don't shy those legs. If you are married, please stay away from your partners because we love to share in Melanesia. DJ, can we get dirty today? Let's go.
I'll tell you the actions if it helps. Get ready to plant your dalo. Plant. Fish. Walk around. Walk back. Look around. And pedal.
it up. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Hey, 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 hey. Shake it, shake it. Come on. Hey, hey. Jump it, jump it, jump it. Come on, come on. Shake it, mama. Come on, mama. Yeah, let's go, mama. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Shake it. Come on, jump it. Hey, hey. What's this out? Clap, clap, clap. Thank you. A big round of applause for a group traveling from the capital, I was going to say old capital of Fiji, but rather capital of Aotearoa, New Zealand, Wellington, Vinaka Vinaka Vakalevu. Woo!